Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done up to exercise 4b or 4a of chapter number 4. Now I shall start exercise 4b of chapter number 4. So see the first question, what is there? Write the addition sentence shown by the following number lines. So here is the number line is given. So what? I need to write the what? I need to write the addition sentence. Okay, that means what? I need to write the what? Mathematical term. Okay, it is given in the what? It is given in number line. So from number line I need to take it to the what? Mathematical term. Okay, in addition form. So see the first one. You draw the number lines with the help of your ruler. Okay, don't use your hand. So in the right side, as I discussed earlier in my last class, that on the right side we write the what? Positive numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, you use your ruler. Okay, so write -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now what? Now the question is given that we know that the right side of what? 0 is what? All the positive integers are there, and on the left side of 0 all the negative integers are there. Okay, so what you see, from 0 the first arrow gone up to 3, came up to what? Sorry, from 0 what came up to 3k. Okay, then again from 3 it has gone up to 2, that is what? Again from 3 it has gone up to +2, it is what? How many units it has gone? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now I need to write the what? Addition sentence. You see how to write the addition sentence? First you see what? So it will be what? You see from there -3. So first you write -3 from 0 to -3. Then what? We need to what? Write the addition sentence. So write plus. Again what? It has gone what? If the arrow comes on the left side, then you denote it by minus, and if the arrow goes on the right side, then you what? Write what? Plus. Okay, write the positive integers. So what? It get gone what? It has gone up to what? 1 2 3 4 5. So +5. So if you solve it, then plus minus what? -5 - 3, it is what? 2. Now you can check. You see the last arrow is at what? 2. Have you seen? The last arrow is at what? 2, and plus minus. So now come to question number 2. See question number 2. Okay, from 0 up to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, you use your what? Ruler, and keep the distance between the two vertical lines same. Okay, by your ruler. So here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. Okay, now you see from where the arrow has gone. From 0 to from 0 to +9. From 0 to what? 9. From 0 to 9, first arrow. Then what? Last what? From 9 to -7. Again from 9 to what? From 9 to -7. That is here. From 9 to what? -7. That is what? Here. Okay. From 9 to what? -7. So how to write? You see, it has gone what? Right side. First the arrow has gone what? Right side. So 9. Then what? We have to write the addition sentence. Then plus. Then again what? It is coming towards left side. So left side means what? minus. So how many units from 9? 1, 2. So what? Minus 2. Then what? Plus minus what? Minus. So 9 minus 2, it is what? 7. Okay, that is the addition sentence. Now what? So you see, so you see 7, here you see the last arrow is in what? Plus 7. Okay, so question number 3, you see, question number 3, what is there? Question number 3, draw the number line first. Left side how much? Up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. And here up to 4. Then continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then continue. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means what? It continues. Okay. Now what? So everyone continues like this. Okay, this arrow symbol means what? Continues, it goes on. So now what? 0 first what? 0 to what? 0 to minus 2. 0 to what? Minus 2. The first arrow came, that is what? It is minus 2. Okay, then what? Then from minus 2 to again what? 6. Okay, and minus 2 to what? Again 6. That means what? Up to there. Okay, up to 6. Okay, that is what? Now what? Now you write the addition sentence. So first what? Minus 2. Okay, then plus, again what? Again minus. From 2 how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means what? Plus minus 4. Why minus 4? Because it is coming to the left side. Okay, so what? Now what? Minus 2 plus minus minus 4. It is what? Again what? Minus minus plus. So it is what? Minus 6. So bigger sign is what? Minus 6. So you check the last arrow is in what? Minus 6. You check here. Okay. Now come to question number what? Question number 4. So you see question number 4. So question number 4, you see what? So question number 4, first from 0 to minus 5. 0 to minus 5. Okay, 0 to minus 5. Again what? From minus 5 to 8 plus 8. Again from what? Minus 5 to what? Plus 8. Minus 5 to what? Plus 8. Okay, then how to represent by? Okay, first write what? Minus 5, because it has come on the positive. Again what? It has gone up to what? How many units from minus 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So write what? Plus 13, because the arrow goes on the right direction. So it is what? Plus 13. Now what? Plus minus minus 13 minus 5, 8. Okay, so you see last one is at 8. Okay, you see the last arrow ends at what? 8. Okay, come to 5. Come to what? 5. So it is what? Question number, earlier it is question number 3. Now what? Oh, sorry, it is 4. Now what? 5. Okay. So earlier question number I have not given the number, you give the number. Okay, Roman number I have not given, you give the number, you correct it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so from what? 0 to minus 4 first. 0 to minus 4. Okay, again from what? Again 4 to again 0. Again 4 to what? Again 0. Again here. Okay. Okay, so see, first what? Minus 4. Minus 4. Okay, then what? Again it has come on the left side. Again on the right side, if it is good, then what? How many units it has gone? 1 2 3 4. So it is what? Plus 4. So plus minus minus, it is what? 0. You see the last arrow is at what? 0. Understood? So come to question number 2. Use the number line and add the following integers. Now what? Use the number line and add the following integers. You have to use the number line and add the following integers. So see. So see question number 2. Minus 5 plus 7. Minus 5 plus 7. So minus 5 what? Plus 7. Minus 5 plus 7. So give the number line. Okay. 0. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Continue. Okay. Then what? Then here what you give up to at least 1 2 3 4 5 6. Minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Now first you see minus 5, then what? Plus 7. So first what? 0 to minus 5. Okay, so it has come on the left side. Okay, now what? From 5 to again 7. So from 5 to again 7 you need right, because it is plus 7, so it is on the right side. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here again what? Again from there up to there 7. Okay, so that is the what? You draw by pencil. Okay, and draw with the pencil and the ruler. Okay, draw correctly and use, and you keep the distance between the what? Vertical line same. Okay, so come to question number 2. So if you solve this one, you see minus 5 plus 7 equals to what? Plus minus minus. So it is 7 minus 5, it is 2. You see the last arrow is at 2. Okay, now come to Roman 1, it is Roman 2, you see. So Roman 2 what? 5 plus minus 9. 5 plus minus 9. 5 plus minus 9. Okay, so draw the number line. Okay, 0. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 9. Minus 9 minus 8 minus 7 minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, so now you check from 0 what? Plus 5. So from 0 to plus 5 here. Okay, it has gone right because it is plus 5. Again from plus 5 to 9 units. From plus 5 to 9 units. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Why it is in the left direction? Because of minus. So it has come what? Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 up to there. Okay, it is what? Left. You can give here minus 9, you can give here plus 5. Okay, like this you can give. You can here also you can give what? Minus 5, here what? Minus 5 plus 7. Like this also you can give. Okay, so what? Now you write 5 plus minus 9. It is what? 5 plus minus minus 9. So 5 minus 9, it is what? Minus 4. So you see the last error is at what? Minus 4. Okay. So now come to question number 8. Sorry, question number 3, Roman 3. Okay. Roman 3 is what? Plus 8 and minus 8. 8 plus minus 8. So obviously what? It will be 0. You see how? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In everyone you give arrow. Okay. So what? 8 plus minus 8. So 8 plus what? Minus 8. So 8 plus. So from 0 to 8 plus. Okay. Is what? 8 plus 8. Okay. And what? Again what? From there again what? Minus 8. So leaving 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is what? Again here. So what? Again what? Here. Again what? Minus 8. Okay. So again what? Last at 0. You see by mathematical problems 8 minus 8. Okay. So what? 8 plus minus minus 8. It is what? 0. Understood? It is what? 0. Okay. So like this you can solve question number 4 also like this. So let me show question number 5. Okay. So what? And you give arrow. Okay. Arrow on both sides. Okay. I am not giving you give. Okay. Arrow. So what? Now what? Question number 5. So you see question number 5 and 4 and 6 you can do. You see question number 5. So question number 5 is what? Minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 2. Okay. So you see, draw the number line. Okay. Okay. So what you do like this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Minus 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what? Now what? First minus 1. So 0 to minus 1. Okay. 0 to minus 1. So it is what? Minus 1. Okay. Now what? Again from minus 1 to minus 2. Minus 1 from minus 2. 1, 2. Up to that one. Okay. It is what? Minus 2. Again plus 2. That means what? If this one minus 2. So if it goes on the right side, then it will become what? Plus 2. So this test will remain same. It is what? Plus 2. Okay. And the last arrow gone up to what? Plus 2 is gone up to what? Minus 1. You see minus 1. Now you solve, you will get minus 1. So just I am solving here. Okay. You solve up from there. Okay. Minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 2. You see minus 1 plus minus minus 2 plus 2. So what? Minus 1, it is 0. Okay. Okay. 0. Here what? Plus minus get cancelled. It is 0. So 0, we are not writing, answer is what? Minus 1. Okay. So you see the last arrow is at what? -1. Okay. Now only 2 I left. 4 and 6 you practice is same like. Okay. Add without using the number line. Now what? Now we need to what? Add without using the what? Number line. So come to question number 3. So question number 3 is what? You check add without using the number line. So this one you know already. I said earlier. So plus equals to what? Plus. Minus equals to what? Plus. Then plus comma minus equals to what? Minus. Minus comma plus equals to what? Minus. This one you need to remember. We'll use this sign here. Okay. Then -8. -8 comma -4. Yes. We need to what? Add it. So how to add? So what? -8 in place of comma I should use plus, then -4. So what? Plus minus we cannot keep at a time, so you use a bracket. Okay. Now -8, then plus minus what? -4. Now what? Minus plus. So 8 plus 4 it is what? 12. So bigger is 8 and bigger symbol is minus, so -12. That is the answer. Understood? Minus plus minus. So minus again what? You see minus again what? Plus. So what? 8 plus 4 it is 12 and bigger number is what? 8 and the bigger sign should be used. So bigger sign is what? Minus. So what? -12 answer. Okay. Now come to question number 2. You see question number 2 what? It is Roman 1. Roman 2 what? 5 comma -4. So write 5 plus -4. So 5 minus 4 it is what? 1. Yes, it is what? 1. Plus minus 5 minus 5 minus 4 it is what? 1. Okay. Now come to question number 3. Okay. -17 plus 24. Okay. So -17 plus 24. Okay. So it is what? Now what? Plus minus. Okay. So 24 and 17. Okay. 24 and what? 17. So 14 minus 7 it is what? 7 and 1 minus 1 0. So plus minus. So we what? Use what? 7 and 24 is bigger, so plus sign. Okay. Now come to question number 4. 0 comma minus 36. So it will be what? 0 plus minus 36. Okay. So 0 plus minus 36. So answer will be what? -36. Okay. Answer will be what? -36. Now come to 5. 5 you see. 27 minus 27. So answer will be 27 plus minus 27. To be what? 27 minus plus minus minus 27. It is what? 0. Okay. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7 you see. Question number 7 what given? 4004 comma -999. Okay, -999. So what? 4004 plus -999. So what? 4004 plus -999. So now subtract 404 and 999. Okay. Now what? 14 minus 9, 5. Okay. It is 5. Here remain what? 9 minus 9 what? 0. Here remain what? Here again what? Here also what? 9 minus 9 0. Here what? From there we take what? 10. Wait. What is the question? 404004 plus 999. Okay. So what? 4004 plus what? 9. 14. Here remain what? Yes. So from from there what? Yes, the question is correct. So here what? From there we took what? Here remain what? 9. So 9 minus 9 0. Here remain again what? 9. 9 minus 9 0. Here remain what? 3. Oh, actually I got confused on that question. I thought it was 2 zeros. Okay. So what? 3005. So answer is what? 3005. Okay. So that is the answer. Now what? You see question number 12. So question number 12 is what? Minus 7 2 9 comma minus 7098 comma 729 comma minus 2. Okay, so you need to add all these things. So what? Right, minus 729, okay, plus minus 7098 plus 729 plus minus 2. Okay, so what? Minus 729 plus minus 7098, then plus 729 plus minus 2. Okay, so one thing you can do. So from here, one thing you can do, see, minus 729 and plus 729, you can what? Get cancelled, because they are what? In opposite, I said as earlier. So what? So if you do this one, then we'll get what? 0. Okay, let me write, then you'll understand. So what you see after that? Minus 729 plus 729. Okay, minus 729 plus 729. Just I'm arranging here. Okay, then what? Minus 7098 minus 2. Okay, so you see this one plus minus, so same number, it is 0. Minus plus, so 7089 plus 2, it will become what? 7098 plus 2, it is what? 10. 9 plus 1 10. Here remain what? 1 and what? 7. 7100. So what? Here what? 7100. Okay, so what? Again what? Minus 7100. It is answer. Okay, rest you practice. Now come to question number 4. The base of an iceberg. The base of an iceberg is 7 km below sea level, and the top is 10 km above the base. How high above sea level is the tip of the iceberg? Okay, so see. Suppose this is the sea, okay, and this is the iceberg, okay, and this is the what? Top portion of the iceberg. Now the question is asked that the base of an iceberg is 7 km below the sea level. So this is the what? Sea level. Okay, this is the sea level. Okay, so this is the what? Sea level. So below the sea level, the distance is what? 7 7 kilometer. Below the sea level, 7 kilometer is what? Merged in the what? Water. And what? And the top is 10 kilometer above the base. That is what? And the top is what? 10 kilometer above the base. Then this is the what? Base. So from this what? 10 kilometer above the base. 10 kilometer. Okay. Now the question is, how high above the sea level is the tip of the iceberg? That is what? That means what? We need to find this portion. That means what? How high above the sea level is the tip of the iceberg? That is this tip of the iceberg we need to find. So obviously what? The total length of the iceberg is what? 10 kilometer. So from there, this, if we subtract the merged level, then you can get the what? Tip. Okay. So write. Given question number 4. Given the base of the iceberg below the sea level, the base of the iceberg below the sea level equals to what? Below the sea level is what? 7 kilometer. And the top of the iceberg from the base equals to what? 10 kilometer. Okay. Therefore, height of the tip equals to what? Height of the top minus MERGED, merged height. What? Merged height. So what? Height of the top is what? 10 kilometer. And height of the what? Merged height, that is what? The portion which is under the water. What? 7 kilometer. So what? 10 minus 7, it is what? 3 kilometer. So answer is what? 3 kilometer. Okay, that is the required answer. Now come to question number 5. Okay, the following are the scores of Red House. The following were the scores of Red House in 5 rounds of an inter-house quiz competition. Are what? -10, +5, -4, -3, +15. What was the final score? So the final score, that is what? Addition of all the scores. Okay. So write. So what? Right. Right. Question number 5. The scores of the Red House in 5. The final scores of the Red House in 5 rounds equals to what? You add all these things. -10 plus 5 plus -4 plus -3 plus 15 plus what? Plus 15. Okay. So now you add it. -10 plus 5 minus 4 plus minus 3 plus 15. Okay, now you add all the positive numbers. So you see 5 plus 15, 5 plus 15, then you take minus 10, minus 4, minus 3. Okay, so 5 plus 15, it is what, 20. Then what, 4 minus what, plus. So what, 4 plus 3, it is what, 7. Okay, so minus 10 minus 7, again what, 20 minus what, plus. So 10 plus 7, it is what, 17. So 10 is bigger symbol is what, minus. So 20 minus 17, it is what, 3. Okay, it is what, 3. So that is the what, answer. Now come to question number 6. Find the sum. We have to what, find the sum. 4 questions are there. I shall solve 2 questions. Rest are in the same process. You can solve. So come to question number 6. So question number 6, you see what? Number 1, 200 plus minus 55 plus minus 77 plus minus 68. Okay, plus minus 68. Okay, so here you see 200 plus minus 55 plus minus 77 plus minus 68. Okay, so add, first you add these two. Okay, so you do like this, 200 minus 55, 200 minus 55, how much? You see 10 minus 5 is 5, here remain 9 minus 5 is 4, here remain 1, 145. 145. Then here minus plus, so 77 and 55, if we add, how much we got? 7 plus 5, 12, 7 5 12, 1 13, 132. So minus 132 minus 68. Okay, now again you subtract from that one. 145 minus 132, 145 minus what, 132. Okay, 5 minus 2, it is what, 3, 4 minus 3, it is 1, and 1 minus 1 0. So it is what, 13. So it is what, 13 minus 68. Okay, minus, wait, I think something wrong or what, 200 minus, wait, 200 plus minus 200 55 77 68. Okay, let me solve again. 200 you keep, then you do this one first, minus what, plus. So 77 and 55, how much come? 12, 7 5 5 12 and 1 13, 132, again minus 68. Okay, now what, minus again plus, 132 minus plus 68, how much come? You see 8 plus 2 10. Okay, then 6 plus 3 9 and 1 10, then 1 and 1 2 200. So that means what, 200 minus, again here we got what, these two we got what, 200. So it is what, 0. Answer is 0. Earlier somewhere else I have made mistakes, so this is the correct answer. Okay, now what, now question number 3 you see. 703 plus minus 3 plus minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 400 plus 0. So what, 63 703 plus minus 3 plus minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 400 plus 0. Minus 400 plus what? 0. So what? So write 703 plus minus minus plus minus, it is what? Again what? Minus, then plus 1, then again plus minus 400 plus 0. Okay. So 703 minus 7, it is what? 700. Okay. Then here what? Plus minus minus, it is what? 0. Then what? Minus 400. Okay. Plus 0, it is what? Same, minus 400. Now what? 700 minus 400. Answer is what? 300. So that is the answer. Now come to question number 7. Write the addition sentence corresponding to each of the following subtraction sentence. Just you have to write the what? Addition sentence. 1 minus 8. The addition of this sentence will be what? 1 plus 8. Okay. 1 plus 8. See how to write. Question number 7, 1. 1 minus 8. Okay. 1 minus 8. Then addition of sentence will be what? 1 plus minus 8. Finished. Okay. Number 2. What? Minus 8 minus 11. Addition will be minus 8 plus minus 11. Okay. Number 3. 4 minus minus 3. So addition will be 4 plus minus 3. Okay. That is what? 4 plus 3. Okay. Anyway you can write. Minus question number 4 what? 9 minus 9 minus 12. Okay. So addition will be what? Minus 9 minus plus 12. Okay. Then 5 minus 10 minus 7. So it will be what? Minus 10 plus 7. Okay. Finished. Now come to question number 8. Find, that means what? You have to find the answer. So see question number 8. So question number 8 is what? You see, find. So number 1 you see 5 minus 9. So it will be what? Plus minus minus. So 5 minus 9 is what? 5 minus 9. So 5 minus 9 is what? Minus 4. Why it is minus 4? Because 9 is greater number, so greater symbol we should use. Okay. Now come to question number. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2, what is there? 2 minus 7. So what? 2 plus 7. It is what? 9. Okay. Question number 3 you see. Minus 11 minus 9. Okay. So what? Minus 11 minus plus 9. So again what? Plus minus 2. Okay. Now come to question number 5. 0 minus 75. So it will be what? Again 0 minus 75 is what? Again minus 75. Okay. Now 6. This same. 0 minus 45. Okay. So it will be what? 0 minus plus 45. It is what? Only 45. Okay. Now come to question number 9. Write the successor and the predecessor of each of the following. So successor and predecessor, here you know about this. Okay. Successor means what? Plus 1, and predecessor means what? Minus 1. So you see, Now come to question number 9. Successor of 5 and predecessor of 5. 9 number 1, 5. So successor of 5. First you write successor equals to what? 5 plus 1, it is 6. And predecessor. And what? Predecessor. And what? Predecessor. Predecessor equals to what? 5 minus 1, it is what? 4. So for every cases it is same. So what? Now what? Successor of what? Minus 3. Now what? Successor of minus 3. Now come to 2. Minus 3. If successor of minus 3 will become what? Minus 3 plus 1, it is what? Minus 2. And minus 3 minus 1, it is what? Minus 4. Okay. Now successor of, now question number 2 is finished. Now come to question number 4. Okay. Question number 4 are what? Successor of 0. Successor of 0 means what? 0 plus 1, it is what? 1. And 0 minus 1, it is what? Minus 1. So finished. Now come to question number 10. Subtract the first integer from the second in each of the following. Okay. That means what? We need to subtract the first integer from the second. Okay. So see the question. Question number 10, you see what is there? 8 comma minus 2. From this minus 2 I need to subtract. So minus 2 minus 8. It is what? Minus 2. This minus is for subtraction. Okay. So it is what? Minus minus plus. So it is what? Minus 10. Answer. Now what? Now come to question number 2. Minus 15 comma minus 12. Okay. So what? Minus 12 from what? From the second integer. So from the second integer. So for that reason what? You see 8 comma minus 2. So subtract the first integer from the second. So what? From the second. So for that reason I wrote what? Minus 2 first. Then I wrote what? Minus 8. Why minus? This minus is for subtraction. Okay. So what? Minus. Then again what? Minus 15. This minus is for subtraction. Now what? Minus 12 plus 15. So plus minus minus, it is what? 3. Answer is what? 3. 15 minus 2, it is what? 3. Okay. So come to question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Minus 93 comma 307. So what? 307 minus 93. Okay. Now what? 307 plus 93. Okay. So 307 plus 93. 7 plus 3, it is what? 0, 10. Then 9 plus 1, again what? 0. What is the question? What? 7030 what? Question number? Yes, question number, yes. Question number 3, yes. 307 plus what? 93. What comes? 0, 0 and what? 400. Okay. 400. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5 what? 19 minus 0 comma 7003. So what? 7003 minus 0. It will be what? Again 7003. Answer. Now come to question number 11. Find the value of. Question number 11. So question number 11, you see what? Find the value of. Find the value of. You have to find the what? Value. So 11 what? Roman 1 minus 8 minus 15 10. Okay. So what? Minus 8 plus 15 minus 10. Okay. Why? Because minus minus it is what? Plus. So minus 8 plus 15. Minus 8 plus 15. So what? Minus minus again what? Here plus minus minus 15 minus 8 it is what? 7. 7 minus 10 it is what? Minus 3. Okay. Answer is what? Minus 3. So what? Minus 8 minus of 15 minus 10. So what we have done? So 8 what? Plus minus minus 15 minus 8 is what? 7. So what? 15 is what? Bigger. So the bigger symbol is plus. So I put what? Plus. Now here minus 10. Again what? Plus minus minus. So 10 minus 7 it is what? 3. So bigger symbol is what? 3. This minus. So minus 3. Okay. Now come to question number. Come to question number 3. So question number 3, you see what? 3 minus 4, okay, plus 3 minus 4, okay. So you check. 3 minus 4 it is what? Minus 1, plus 3 minus 4 again what? Minus 1, okay. So what? Minus 1 plus minus again what? Minus. So what? Again minus minus plus. So it is what? Minus 2. Okay. Now come to question number 4. Minus 60 minus of 58 minus of 2. Okay. So you see minus 60 minus plus 58. Okay. Again minus plus 2. So what? Minus 60 plus 58 plus 2 again 60. So 60 plus minus is what? 0. Minus plus minus. So 60 minus 60 is what? 0. Now come to question number 12. Fill in the blanks by greater or less than or equal to symbol in each sentence. So see the question. Minus 3, okay, plus minus 7. Minus 3 plus minus 7, okay. Minus 3 plus minus 7. Then what? Minus 3 minus of 7. Okay. So what? So what you see here? Minus 3. It is what? Minus 3 plus minus 7. Okay. Here what? Minus 3 minus plus 7. Here what? Minus 10. Here what? Plus minus. So what? Here 4 plus 4. So which one is greater? Obviously this one is greater. So we'll use what? This symbol. Okay. Now come to question number 2. So question number 2 is what? Minus of 23 minus of 23 dash minus of 23 plus minus of 23. Okay. Minus of 23 plus minus of 23. So what? From here minus of 23 minus plus of 23. Okay. Here what? minus of 23 plus minus of 23. Now here what? 0 plus minus 0. Here 23 minus plus 3 plus 3 6, 2 plus 2 4, 46 minus 46. So obviously what? Which one is greater? Obviously what? 0 is greater because it is negative. So this one. Okay. Question number 2. Now come to question number 4. So question number 4, you see, minus 15 plus minus 25, okay, then minus 25 minus 15, okay. So here you see minus 15 plus minus 25, okay, then here what? Minus 25 minus 15. So I think this one both are same, okay. 5 plus 5 10, okay. 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4, okay, minus 40. Here what? 5 plus 5 10, 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4, minus 40. So both cases are same, so it is what? Equal, okay. Now come to question number 13. So what? In question number 13, what is given? A hotel in Greenland is made by entirely of ice. The outside temperature of a room is the outside temperature is minus 35 degrees Celsius and the inside temperature of a room is minus 10 degrees Celsius. What is the difference between the inside and the outside temperature? That is what I need to find the what? Inside, the difference between the inside and the outside temperature. Right. 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 Question number 13. Outside given first. Outside temperature of the hotel equals to what? Minus 35 degree Celsius. Now what? Inside temperature of the hotel equals to what? Minus 10 degree Celsius. Now what? We have to find the difference of the temperature. Now write difference of the inside and outside temperature. TEMPERATURE. Okay, will be what? Inside minus. So inside is what? Minus 10. Okay, and difference means what? Minus, again what? Minus 35 degree Celsius. Okay, how? You see, this is what? Inside, so minus 10 degree, and difference means what? Again minus, so again one minus, and this one minus 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, now you see minus 10 degrees Celsius minus plus 35 degree Celsius. So plus minus, it is what? 25 degree Celsius. That is the what? Required answer. Okay, now come to question number 14. The daytime temperature on moon can reach 130 degree Celsius. At night the temperature can drop to minus 100 degrees Celsius. How high is the maximum temperature than the minimum temperature? That means what? You have to find the what? Difference in the temperature. Right. Question number 14. daytime temperature. You write, okay, temperature. Daytime temperature on moon, okay, that is what? Maximum. Okay, maximum, that is what? 130 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, that is what? Maximum temperature, 130 degrees. Now what? Nighttime temperature on the moon, that is what? Minimum. Okay, it is what? Minus 10 degree, minus 110 degree Celsius. Okay, 110 degree Celsius. Now what? Now difference in temperature. Difference in temperature equals to what? 130 degrees Celsius minus of 110 degrees Celsius. So it is what? 130 degree Celsius plus 110 degree Celsius. So it is what? So it will be what? 240 degree Celsius. That is the answer. Okay, minus plus. So difference in temperature means what? This minus, and again this minus what? Plus. Now come to question number 15. Subtract the sum of from Otto. So write. Okay, you see question number 15. Subtract the sum of Otto and Otto from 340 and 70 from minus 45. So see question number 15. So first word, sum of, right? Sum of minus 340 and what? 170. 340 and 170 will be what? Minus 340 plus 170. So it is what? Plus minus. So 340, 170. Okay, 0, then 7, then 2 minus 1, it is what? 1. 14 minus 7, it is what? 7. Then 2 minus 1, it is what? 7. So 170 minus what? 170. From minus 170, now you need to subtract. Okay, now subtract. So what? Subtract. Okay, so 45, it is what? From minus 45 minus 170. Okay, subtract. For subtract, 1 minus came, and this is minus 170. Okay, so minus 45 minus plus 170. So 170 and what? 45. So 5 here remain what? 6 minus 4, it is 2, 125. So 125. Okay, now question number 2, it is what? Sum of Otto from the difference of Otto. From the difference of what? Otto. You see question number 2. So first what? First we will find the sum of 865 and 493. Then we shall find the difference of what? 380 and 675. Okay, 675. Then from these two we shall what? Again find the what? Difference. So see how to find. This is what? 15 Roman 1. Now what? 15 Roman 2. Okay, so what? The sum of Otto. Sum of means what? Plus 865 okay, and what, minus 493, minus 493. So what, 865, okay, plus minus 493. It will be what, 865 plus minus 493, okay, 493. So what, plus minus 865 493, okay, 5 minus 3 it is 2, okay, 16 minus 9 7, okay, here remain what, 7 minus 4 3, 372, okay, what, 372. So here coming what, 372, okay. Now what, difference of 380 and 675. All right, now difference of what, difference of minus 380 and what, 675. So difference of 380 and 675. So it will be what, minus 380 minus 675, okay. So it will be plus 675. Why minus? Because difference, for that it is minus. So 675 and 380, okay, 5 15, 6 plus 3 9, 1055. So minus 1055. Now from this I need to subtract again minus 372, okay. So right, all right, now subtract minus 1055 minus 1055 minus 372 minus 372. So what, 1055 and 372 is what, minus plus. So 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12 and 1 13. Here what, 4, 1437. Subtract 1055 minus 372. So what coming, 5 plus 2 it is 7, 7 plus 5 it is 12. Wait, 5 plus 2 it is 7, 7 plus 5 it is what, 12, and here 2, okay, then what, here 3 4 1427 1427. Okay, let me check the answer. 15 2. Yes, minus 1427. So answer is what, minus 1427, because it is what, 1055 is what, here it is what, this is the what, minus 3, here what, 372 is what, bigger, so bigger sign is what used. Okay, now come to what, high order thinking skill. Find question number 3. You see what, find. Question number 25, hertz. Okay, so what, given the series we need to find, okay, 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus dot 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 plus 7 minus 18 plus 19 minus 20 plus 19 minus 20. We need to find. So if we find by adding, then it will take what? More times. Let us apply a technique. You see here, you see, if I make it bracket, you see 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 6, like this, 17 minus 18, 19 minus 20. So in every case what? We'll get what? Minus 1. Here also what? Minus 1. Here also what? Minus 1, because 1 minus 2 it is minus 1, 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 1. So what? In every cases what? We'll get what? Minus 1. In every cases what? We'll get what? Minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. So like this, how many? 1 to 20, that means what? 20 numbers are there. So if you take 2 at a time, then it will become what? 1 pair. That means what? Then there will be what? 10 pairs. 2 numbers, then it will be what? Since there is 20 numbers, so if you take 2 at a time, then it will make what? 10 pairs. So it will come what? Like this. Minus 1, 10 times it will come. So 10 into minus 1, because minus 1 it will come what? 10 times. Okay. So it is what? 10 ones are 10, minus 10 answer. Okay. Now come to question number 26. It is the last question of this chapter. See question number 26. The construction of dates of significant landmarks are given below. Okay. AD is represented by positive integers and BC is represented by y? By negative integers. Now what? Write the following difference in ascending order. That means what? You have to write the difference in what? In ascending order. So see, it is the last question. So what? You draw the number line nicely, okay? Just I am writing the points A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, okay? So what? So A is what? A, B, C, D and what? E. So what? The value of A is given what? 2650. Okay, it is BC. Okay, now B is what? 432 what? BC. Okay, C is what? 204 AD. Okay, and D is 1161 AD. Okay, 1161 AD. And E is what? 1470 what? AD. Okay, 1470 AD. So one, and the names Great Pyramid of Giza, these things you write. Okay, here I am not writing. Okay, you write the names. Okay, you write the number line what? Exactly as like book. So what? BC represents what? Negative. BC what? Negative. BC represent negative. And what? AD represent what? Positive. In the question it is said. Okay, what? In the question it is said. Now what? Now we need to find the difference. So first one is what? 2650 BC, 432 BC, then 204 AD, 1161 AD, then what? 1470 AD. So first one is what? A, then what? Minus D. A minus D we need to find. So how to find? You see A is what? 2650. So write 2650. Okay. Then what? It is BC. So BC what signifies? Minus, negative. So you give negative. Then this minus. Then what? This minus. Okay. Then what? Then D. D is what? 1161. It is AD what? Represent what? Positive. Okay. Now you what? Solve it. How much? Minus plus. So 2650. Okay. Then 1161. So it is minus minus plus. So 1, 11, 8, 3, 3, 8, 1, 1. Sorry, 2, 6, 5, 0, 1, 6, 2, 6, 5, 0 and 1, 1, 1, 1, 6, 1, D 1, 1, 6, 1. So what? 0, then 5 plus 6, 11 and 1, 6 plus 1, 7 and 1, 8. 2 plus 1, it is what? 3. Wait. So A minus D. So minus minus plus 2, 6, 5, 0 minus 1, 1, 6, 1. So BC represent minus and AD represent what? Plus. So what is coming? Let me add again. Minus 2, 6, 5, 0 and what? 1, 1, 6, 1. 1, 6 plus 5 what? 11 and 1. 6 plus 1, 7 and 1, 8. And what? 2 plus 1, 3. It is correct. Minus 3, 8, 1, 1. Minus 3, 8 what? 1, 1. Okay. Now come to CD. CB. Okay. CB. C minus B. Okay. C is what? 204. 204. It is AD, so plus. Then minus B is what? 432. It is what? BC. 432. It is BC. So again minus. Okay. This minus is that minus. Okay. Now what? Now minus minus plus. Okay. 204 plus 432. It is what? 204. 204 and 432. How much? 4 plus 2, it is 6 and 3 and 6. 636. Okay. So what? It is 636. 636. Okay. Now what? Now come to what? DE. D minus E. Okay. So D what? D is what? 1161. 1161. It is AD, so positive. Now this minus. Now what? E. E is what? Again positive. So 1470. Now what? Now again you what? Subtract. So it will be what? Plus minus what? Minus. So 1470 and what? 1161. So 9 here what? 9 here remain 0. Okay, 6 minus 6 0. So here remain what? 4 minus 1, it is what? 4 minus 1, it is 3. 1 minus 1 0. So it is what? It is what? 309. 309. But here should be minus because this one is bigger. Okay, minus 309. Now come what? CD. C minus D. C minus D. Okay. So C minus D is what? C is what? 204. 204. Okay. It is what? Positive, so plus. Minus D what? Again positive. 1161. Okay. Now we need to find. So what? 1161. Then 204. What come? 11 minus 4? 7. Okay. Here remain 5. 11 minus 2, it is what? 9. 957. Okay. 957. It is what? Minus, because 1161 is plus minus minus. So what? Minus 957. Now what? AE. AE is what? AE. A is what? 2650. Okay. 26 what? 50. Now what? E is what? 1470 minus 1470. Here should be what? It is minus. Why it is minus? Because 2650 A is what? BC. BC represent what? Negative, so negative. Okay. And what? 1470 AD, it is what? Plus. So this minus is that minus. Again what? We need to what? Add minus minus plus. So what? 2650 1470 1470. Add it. 0. 7 plus 5 12. 6 plus 4 10 and 1 11. 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4. 4120. 4120. So write what? 4120 and 1 negative because of bigger sign. Okay. Now what? Now you have to what? Arrange in ascending order. Right. Now in ascending order. Now write in ascending order. In ascending order. Ascending means what? From what? From smaller to bigger. From what? Smaller to bigger. So which one is the most smaller? The largest negative number is the what? Most smaller. So first it will come what? 4120. Yes, this is the most smaller, so it will come. So 4120, that means what? AE. AE. Okay. Next what? Next minus 975 minus 3811. So this one AD, it will come what? AD. Okay. AD, it will come what? AD. Okay. Next what? Next minus is what? Next smaller is what? DE. Next is what? Wait, what is there? AD. Okay. What from ascending order? 3811. Next what? Next one is what? DE. Before D 309 and D this one 957. So it will come first because it is what? Smaller. So then it will come what? CD. Okay. CD. Then it will come what? DE. DE. Then what? Is there any more negative numbers? No. Then it will come what? After this one, it will come that one. 636. That is what? CB. C minus B. So once you check, first one is what? AE. Okay. Second one is what? AD. Second one is what? AD. Third one is what? CD. CD. Fourth one is what? DE. DE. And the fifth one is what? CB. Fifth one is what? CB. 636. So this is the answer. Okay. So today up to this, and if you find any problems regarding today's class, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.